This call is now being recorded.
Einen Helm.
Where
Wir
Karen, then
erklären
Gaston,
das.
Ale.
Wir legen euch.
Guys, noch einmal, ja, please tell.
Sir,
Wir
Where?
sir, then Gaston. Where
erklären
Karen, then Gaston, Ale.
Guys, first one
Regularly.
is here. Okay, kannst du mir einen Helm geben? Okay, here is the dative. Okay, next. Erklärst du mir dann die Regel? Okay, here is the dative. Okay, next is guys.
Wir, wir legen
Wir
euch.
erklären den Gästen alle Regeln. This here is the dative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is
Wir
wir
leihen
leihen euch
euch
Helme. Here is the dative. Okay.
Legen.
Yes.
Next is guys.
Wir schicken euch.
Ich schenke dir meine alten Sportschuhe. Okay. Wir schenken euch. Yeah. Okay.
So dish.
Wir empfehlen allen Clayton. अच्छा आप बताइए कौन सा कह रहे हो जैद
So ich hole dich morgen.
बड़ी कहाँ पर है ये बड़ी तो वो हो गया ना आपको दाटिव हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं दाटिव की किसकी बात कर रहे हैं दाटिव वो स्टेट देयर दाटिव ओके so guys verben mit dative und accusative wir erklären
Then Gaston,
ja alle Regeln okay next is wir leihen
Aish, Helma,
Euch.
wir euch
Helma,
Helmut.
Helma okay guys these are the dative verb okay if you use dative verb so you need to use always dative okay and you can also use in one sentence accusative how okay guys let me know what is the position of dative and accusative can you guys please tell me
sir, dative indirect position.
dative indirect position okay and accusative
Object, sir.
Object.
okay very good okay so guys if I tell you the rule first of the position of dative and accusative position of dative and accusative okay guys if you use in one sentence dative and accusative also so what is the rule is simple subject plus verb plus
Yes, object.
dative plus accusative
Accusative.
so guys in one sentence first you will use dative then you will use accusative is it clear Zaid Lalita Aditya Sandhya is it clear?
Yes.
for
So for
example
the
Yes, sir.
subject,
बोलिए
so for the subject we can also say like nominative plus verb dative and accusative.
yes
Okay.
Sir,
correct
nominative, dative, accusative. Subject means nominative. Dative means indirect object.
yeah
Accusative means object.
very good okay next point guys there is certain grammar okay we will learn okay okay so everyone just focus here only okay so verb that take both dative that is indirect object and accusative, that is direct object, are commonly used in German. Okay. Here is a guide with explanation, meaning, and example. Dative before accusative. Guys, when you will use dative, so first we have used here dative, then we have used here accusative. What is the rule? Guys, when both object are noun, okay, when both object are noun, the dative object come before the accusative object. Okay, subject, verb, dative object, accusative object. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ich gebe dem Mann das Buch. Dem Mann is the dative and das Buch is the accusative. I give the man the book. The rule is same, guys. I already explained, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, second rule. Second rule is if the accusative is pronoun. What? Accusative is pronoun. If accusative is pronoun, so first you will use accusative, then you will use dative. The rule will be accusative if accusative is pronoun. So the rule will be subject plus verb plus accusative plus dative. Is it clear or not?
प्रोनाउन मतलब
Pronoun मतलब, guys, pronoun मतलब anyone can tell me the personal pronoun?
Mish, dish.
अच्छा 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 ठीक है सर
एक बार आप टेबल देख लो क्योंकि अभी जरूरत होगी इसकी. ठीक है, this is the table.
यस सर
Is it clear, everyone?
ओके सर
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, just let me know what I told you. If accusative is pronoun, you will use first accusative before dative. For example, guys, this is the sentence. Sentence is just I will tell you the sentence. Okay. Ich gebe dem Mann das Buch. Right? This is the normal sentence. Right?
Yes.
Guys, this is dative. This is accusative. Guys, can you please tell me the pronoun of book? Das Buch? Anyone?
Das pronoun. Dein.
Guys, check here. Can you please tell me das in pronoun? Das Buch pronoun is? Pronoun is S. Pronoun is S.
Yes.
Their father. What is pronoun?
In.
Pronoun is er. Er. Okay. For example,
Yes.
the mutter. The mutter. Pronoun is
Z.
Z. Z. So das Buch pronoun is
S, sir.
S. In nominative. What is in accusative?
S, sir.
S. Okay. So guys, can I write this as das Buch is S? So ich gebe
Book.
S dem man. Hello?
Ich gebe es Buch dem Mann.
Guys, is it clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
this S will come here. Okay. Ich gebe es dem Mann. Okay. In if accusative is pronoun subject, yes, please guys ask me your doubt. Yeah.
Sir, das means S. We should not mention books.
For what?
It will be confused, sir. That is noun, sir. We will mention S book dem Mann. Ich gebe es Buch dem Mann. That is not right, sir.
Not right. S is representing to book because it is, for example,
But we are not
for guys,
mentioning.
listen to me. For example, Lalita, I will ask you, can
Yes,
you
sir.
give me the book? Okay. You are
Yes.
replying, yeah, I give
Yeah,
it to you.
ich gebe es.
Okay. Dear
Yes.
or Inan.
Ihnen. Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear, guys? Okay.
Ich gebe
Guys,
es
just listen.
Ihnen. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, I will show you so many examples. Just okay, focus here. Okay. So guys, if the accusative object is pronoun, अगर हम accusative object as a pronoun use करते हैं, it come before the dative object. So accusative pronoun will come first. So the rule will be subject plus verb plus accusative pronoun plus dative object. Okay. So for example, ich gebe es dem Mann. I give it to the man.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for example, guys, these are the example of dative. First is dative and then is accusative. Okay. So when we are using noun, for
No.
example, is gebe dem man den ball. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Zaid, Lalita, Aditya, Sandhya.
Yes, sir. Ich
Yes, sir.
gebe dem.
Er schenkt seiner Mutter einen Blumenstrauß. Okay, he gives his mother a bouquet. Okay, wir schenken den Studenten die Unterlagen. We send the student the document. So guys, the then student is dative and the Unterlagen is accusative. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
सर ये सारे डाटे वाले हैं ना
आदित्य क्या?
सर ये सारे डाटे वाले हैं ना
पहले डाटिव आएगा फिर accusative वाले हैं ये, राइट? ओके. For example, sie bringt dem Lehrer einen Kaffee. So dem Lehrer is dative and Kaffee is accusative. Okay. She bring the teacher a coffee. Next is der Kellner serviert uns das Essen. The waiter serve us the food. Okay. Again same. Ich erkläre meiner Freundin die Aufgabe. I explain the task to my friend. Okay. Du lieferst dem Kunden die Ware. You deliver the good to the customer. So guys, dem Kunden is dative. Okay. Die Ware is accusative. Okay, guys. Ich borge ihm mein Fahrrad. I lend him my bike. Okay. You will read these two sentences later. Sie erzählt den Kindern eine Geschichte. She tell the children a story. Ich verspreche dir eine Überraschung. So guys, this rule is subject plus verb plus dative plus
Accusative.
Okay, guys, my condition is that just wait. Yeah, the condition is that now we are going to learn from here. subject plus verb plus accusative plus dative. Okay, guys, you will use accusative before when accusative is in
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Yes.
pronomen. Guys, listen to me carefully. The rule of accusative before dative apply when the accusative object is a pronoun. Okay, in such case the pronoun come before the dative object. Okay, accusative pronoun before dative. Okay, when the accusative object is a pronoun, it come before the dative object regardless of whether the dative object is noun or pronoun. Okay, rule is subject verb accusative pronomen dative object. Okay, guys, example: ich gebe es dem Kind. I give it to the child. Okay, sie steigt in ihrer Mutter. Erklärt es dem Lehrer. Guys, is it clear or not? Lalita, Zaid, Aditya, Sandhya.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, little bit it is confusing, but when you read all the example, okay, like I have told you the rules. Right now we are we are reading the example. Okay, it will be clear. Wir senden sie den Kunden. Okay, we send it to the customer. For example, guys. Okay, ich gebe dem Mann. Okay, dem Mann das Buch. Ich gebe
Es
es
dem Mann.
I gave it to him.
Zaid, Lalita, Aditya, Sandhya, guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, handy article is
Das
Das.
ist Geber. Der Mutter. Das Handy. Ich gebe es sie.
S. Very good.
Ich gebe es sie. Ihm. Hier.
सर ये इस गेबा एस ईयर ये लास्ट क्या था?
Dadur.
इसमें चुन जाएगा डाटे में ललिता.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, please now. Yeah, tell. Aditya क्या?
यही सर इस गेबा एस ईयर लास्ट लाइन का मतलब क्या हुआ?
I give it to her.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है.
Their Mutter in first sentence. In second sentence, their Mutter is here. In last sentence, we have write down pronomen. Okay. Das Handy. S.
Yes.
S. Guys, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I will share with you the notes. Okay, if you read the example, okay, it will clear. There are 10 example here. Okay, and guys, I will also tell you from the book. Okay, so guys, next point is, guys, is it simple or hard or confusing?
ठीक ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस से आ रहा है.
ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस से आ जाएगा. Okay, great. So guys, the rule is here. Verben mit Dativ und Akkusativ. Dative for accusative. You will always use dative for accusative. If accusative is pronoun, if accusative is pronomen, So accusative before dative you will use. For example, guys, okay. For example, 6 to mirror the photos. Okay. Can you send me the photos? Yeah. Ish, Shika. The photos will be changed into Z. Mir will change into dear. Okay. The photos is accusative. Here it is accusative. Z. Zaid, Lalita, Aditya, Sandhya. Guys, clear? Okay. Next, guys. Next, guys, gives to mir out the flasher shroom. Okay. Do you give me the bottle back? Klar. Ich gebe sie we are using for the bottle, the flasher. Okay, sie. Guys, article is the. Okay, the will change into in pronomen sie.
Z.
Sie is here, dear is here, and übermorgen. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. For example, lies do mere than stiff. Will you lend me the pen? Okay. So how will you make the answer? Ja, ich gebe
Gebe.
ihn dir. Guys, then stiff is accusative. Article is there. Can you please tell me the pronoun is of there? Er.
Er.
Er will change into in accusative.
In.
In. Ich gebe ihn dir. Is it clear? Zaid, Lalita, Aditya, and Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, what you will do, like we have covered the grammar, okay, of chapter number 9. Okay. Now today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You will complete this chapter. Okay. In next class, I will wind up this chapter. I will take your doubt first of all. Second point, I will cover the listening part of only course book. Okay. From Yubung's book, guys, you can do
सर वो
at
किया
home.
नहीं
Yes, guys, I will tell you the dictionary name. Oh, sorry, website name is alango.net. Net. Guys, are you able to see ALLANGO.net?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you can write down the name ALLANGO.net. Okay. When you open this website, there is one search option. Sorry, this is the search option. Please enter the book title. Guys, are you able to see? Please enter the book title. Okay. You will write down here Network
Nine.
Noe A2. Okay. And then you will go. Guys, when you click here, go. Yeah. Here are the books. For example, you want to do from Yubung's book. So here is the Yubung's book. You will click here. When you click here, there will be one option that is media content for the print edition. And it is written free. So go to media content, right? So when you click here, go to media content. Now you need to type only go to page. For example, my audio is, for example, 100 page number. So you will write down 100 and then go. You will find the audio clip with video. Zaid, Lalita, Aditya, Sandhya. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, in the next class, we will wind up the chapter. We will also do the audio part from course book. Okay. And guys, rest of the things you will do from your side. If you have any doubt, definitely I will explain in the next class. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Aditya, Zaid, and Sandhya. And guys, you will also share with me Yubung's book, chapter number 9, homework completely. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. And you will try to make the sentences with this grammar, desal, prostem, and this grammar. Verb mit dative and accusative. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys,
Sir,
that's the start.
yesterday,
Yeah, please, Sandhya, tell.
yesterday you said I will tell tomorrow about Arena book.
Arena book. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, this is the book of A2 level. Okay. This book is little bit hard. Okay. So, guys, in that Arena book, there are total 10 paper. Okay. 10 paper. So, guys, you can do the reading part. First is lesson part. Okay, this is the lesson part. You will read this one. You will mark the answer. First is ABC, 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 like that. Then you will read tile second. In tile second, again you will read and you will mark down the answer. Okay. Then tile third. Okay, you will do tile fourth. Okay, like that, guys. You will complete it. And guys, in the class, we will practice the exam paper also. Is it clear, guys? Okay.
तो ये आप सेंड करोगे?
ये जैद ने आपको सेंड कर दिया ग्रुप में, देखिए ड्राइव का लिंक है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है
Okay.
सर.
So yes, guys, and guys, we will solve the paper on Monday or Tuesday maybe. Okay. So then, okay, I will explain you each and everything. Sandhya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, guys. And please complete chapter number 9 from your end and learn the vocabulary also, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.
We are done.
Better shown, guys. Cheers.